Hey, welcome to the Clickbank Success channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to get 100 plus leads every single day without any website, without any funnel, without any landing page, without having to drive any kind of traffic, on completely autopilot. So you can promote Clickbank offers, Warrior Plus offers, or any other offer. Now, before I dive into this video, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then just head over to youtube.com, type in Clickbank Success, and you're going to see this down here. Just click and smash the red subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My channel is all about Clickbank, affiliate marketing, work from home, make money online, lead generation, traffic generation, campaign creation, etc. And my channel has helped thousands of people break through on the internet. So if you still haven't subscribed, make sure you smash the red subscribe button. You will see this button just below this video. Now let me explain how a business works. A real business works in this way is where you have a lead magnet page. So you have a page like this, you're going to be driving traffic to this page, and then you're going to people are going to enter the email and you're going to build a list. Now let me explain the power of list building. All right, look at this down here. I have this campaign just right down here. So I'm going to go to, let me just go to the dashboard. All right, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on this down here. Now, when you have a list, you could make money. You don't rely on other people. So I'm going to click on copy to draft. Gonna come here, just gonna make sure everything is looking great. All right, I'm just gonna change the title. So let's just put activate your $10,000 paycheck system. Okay, and I'm gonna click on save, and then I'm just going to click on schedule, come here and just look for that date. All right, so there you go. Scroll down, click on apply, send message now, and this message is going to go out to thousands and thousands of subscribers. Now when you have a list, you have a business. You could make money anytime. You don't have to rely on affiliate offers on Clickbank or Warrior Plus, etc. Anything could go down. You could still make money, but because you have a list. All right. Now, like I said, when you want to build a list, you need a lead magnet page like this, a funnel. All right. And then you need to drive traffic. But in this video, I'm going to show you a way to build a massive high quality subscriber list without having to build a lead magnet page, without having to build a landing page, and without having to drive any traffic. That's right. You don't even have to drive any traffic. You're just going to get 100 leads every single day, completely autopilot, straight into your account, and you could mail them once every single day. All right. So are you ready for this? If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the red subscribe button. It's just below this video. Smash that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get all my future video notifications. So let's dive into this. Okay, the system is called MLGS. All right, if you want to head over to this system and you want to find more details about this system, what this is all about, here's the address, my website address. Just head over to this link here, open up a new tab, okay, and just type in this address, and you're gonna come to a page like this. Okay, you're gonna see a page like this, I highly recommend you watch this video as well. All right, 100 leads every single day without a website, without paid traffic, and all for only $1 per day. I'm going to explain that in more details just later on. Okay, so when you go to this website address down here, what you're seeing here, it's going to take you to this page here. The link is going to be below this video in the description box as well, so you could check it out there as well. Okay, so when you come here, watch the video, scroll down, and then you just click on join MLGS now. All right, so what is the cost to join this? Okay, the cost is $30 a month. Okay, $30 a month. When you create your account and you join for the first time, it's going to cost you $60. All right, $30 per month for the system, and one-time setup fee is going to cost you $30. So in total, when you join for the first time, when you click on this, it's going to cost you $60, and then after that, it's going to cost you $30 a month. And for that $30 a month, what they're going to do is they're going to give you 100 leads every single day. That's right, 100 leads every single day. That is 3,000 subscribers a month, and that is 36,000 subscribers a year. Now, you could download these leads as well. You could email them as well. And let me show you the statistic. Okay, look at this. So far, if I say select all, I so far have 1,100 leads. Every day, 100 leads are coming into my account. I didn't build a landing page. I didn't build I didn't drive any kind of traffic to that landing page. That's it. I'm paying $30 a month, and they are giving me 100 leads every single day. Okay. I sent out only one email so far. Okay. And I'm going to show you the statistic and the power of this system. So check this out. Check this out. It's going to blow your mind. Look at this. I sent out an email to 800 leads. My open rate is 23.88%. 191 people opened it. Look how many clicks I got. I got a click of 108 people visited my link. This is mind-blowing, my friend. Mind-blowing. You know why? You're not going to get this type of open rate and this type of clicks with an autoresponder. You're never going to get this type of open rate and not this type of clicks, okay? This is mind-blowing. Imagine this, getting 100 leads every single day on completely autopilot, all right? Just for $30 a month, and then you could email them once a day, and this is the type of open and click-through rate you're going to get. This is mind-blowing, all right? So this is very, very powerful. And there are certain cases where they will start giving you 200 leads a day as well. All right. So when you join for $30 a month, you're going to get 100 leads every single day. You could download these leads as well and add them to your autoresponder as well. Okay. You could email them once a day using their own email system. All right. So when you go to this website address here, or you click the link below this video, it's going to take you to this page here. Just watch the video, okay? And you're going to see people's results as well. People are getting results with this powerful lead generation system, okay? Where is it? Where is that Clickbank? Well, I can't see it right now, but there was a guy who generated sales with Clickbank. I think I received an email or it was on the page. I don't know. But yes, I did see something like someone generated a Clickbank sale using this lead generation system. So far, my opinion is that it's a great lead generation system and I am very happy with it. So if you think this is for you, just watch the video, go through it, and if you believe that this is something that you want to join, you just click on join MLGS now. All right, you're going to pay a one-time fee of $60. $30 a month, and then one-time setup fee of $30, and then after that, so it's going to be a total of $60, and then after that it's going to be $30 a month every single month. Okay, so if you love this video, smash the subscribe button, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated, and in the comment section leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video.